Welcome. Today in front of me HONOR Magic4 Lite, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first let's just open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. After that we can see here the ringtone and notifications volume panel, and just to unmute your device ringtone you should hold and swipe this white dot to the right side with your finger. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first here in default volume button control, select ringtone to use the volume buttons to change the ringtone volume, and now just press to the up volume button. We can also unmute the ringtone volume, and we can make it by the third way. Press up or down volume button, and then with your finger you can also swipe to the up this volume panel to unmute the ringtone volume. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.